Hi and welcome to this video where we'll show you how to install CRM Toolkit in a Zoho CRM Custom Module. So let's get started. Go to the setup screen at the top right and click on your modules and fields, and the first thing we're going to do is set up a new custom module. So click on New Module, and in here we're going to give it a custom name, and I'm going to create a new section which is going to be our address section. And in there we're going to add in 5 single line fields which will represent our address, and we'll rename those accordingly. Street, city, county or province, postcode and country. And with this custom module we'll change it to an auto number so we don't have to enter anything for the name field, and then save your custom module. Make it available to the profiles you want it available to. And there we have our custom module created, and that can take any. Okay, we now need to install the widget, which may already be in place from the extension, but that one isn't, you can't link that extension via a new button. So we're going to create the widget manually. So give the widget a name, which might be CRM Toolkit, and select the widget type as button and the hosting as external, and then paste in the base URL, which you can see on the screen now in front of you. Once you've done that, click Save, and your custom widget is now ready to be applied to a button. So to create the button, go back to the setup, to modules and fields, and select your custom module that you created. And now go to links and buttons and create your first button. And in here, provide the name of the button that you want it to appear in the record, and choose create and clone. And you'd like to open a widget, which is the widget that you just created. Make this available to all profiles, or the profiles you need, and save. And now create the same process for the edit mode. So CRM Toolkit works in create and edit mode. And the same settings. Open a widget and apply the toolkit to the profiles that need access. Okay, so once you've created the buttons, we can now go and test the process in the custom module. So we're going to go to our custom module, and when we create one for the first time, we'll enter the configuration screen for the CRM Toolkit. So in here, create the section for your address, which is the section reference in the CRM Toolkit, not Zoho CRM, and select the fields that you wish to map from the record, which will be the custom fields we created earlier. And then once you've selected the Zoho fields, then go and map them to the locate fields, the common ones being building number and street, city, province, postcode and country, and then save the configuration. Now let's test the CRM Toolkit and a custom module. So we type ahead address, and we can select our address, which is populated perfectly, and then submit, and you can see it present in the record. So we can go ahead and save that record, and then to test our edit mode, we can click on the edit option, click on our address lookup, and it will populate with the existing address, but we can go in and search for another address and make the change. And there we go, save the record. So we hope you found that useful. CRM Toolkit will work across any module in Zoho CRM, including your custom modules. If you need any help or support, please do send us a note at support@targetcloud.co.uk, and we'd be very happy to help you get this configured.